All right, AI systems are becoming more powerful every year, but they're also becoming bigger targets for cyber attacks, data leaks, and security risks. If your cloud AI infrastructure isn't protected properly, yeah, the consequences can become very serious. In this full guide, I'll show you how to secure your cloud AI infrastructure in 2026, step by step. First, understand what cloud AI infrastructure actually means. This includes servers, databases, APIs, AI models, storage systems, networking, user accounts, and cloud services connected to your AI applications. One of the first security decisions is choosing reliable cloud infrastructure. Trusted providers usually offer better security tools, monitoring systems, backups, and compliance protections. User account security is extremely important. Use strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, and role-based access controls for all cloud accounts. When managing cloud AI systems, always follow privacy laws and compliance standards. And yeah, that's how you secure your cloud AI infrastructure in 2026. Once your AI systems become protected, monitored, and properly managed, your business can operate much more safely and reliably.